Let us now discuss the third model from coding and decoding. In the previous models, we have observed that to get the coded form, any one of the operations was performed on the given word. But in this model, 2 to 3 operations are performed at the same time to get the coded form. Let's look at the question here. In a certain code, jealous is written as BFKKTVP. How will hearten be written in that code? So the question here is the word jealous, that is JEALOUS, is written as BFKKTVP. As I've already mentioned, here the coded form has been obtained by performing 2-3 different steps on the given word jealous. The first step is to divide the given word into different parts. That is, the first 3 letters JEA is the first part, then L is taken as the second part, and the last 3 words OUS is the third part. Now the second step is to reverse the set of letters in each of these parts. So JEA becomes AEJ, L remains L as it is, and OUS becomes SUO. And now the third step is to shift the letters in each of these sets either in the forward or in the backward direction. So if you can observe from the given code, the letters in the set AEJ have been shifted by 1 position in the forward direction, L has been shifted by 1 position in the backward direction, and SUO is again shifted by 1 position in the forward direction. So A plus 1 gives B, E plus 1 is F, J plus 1 is K. L minus 1, that is L is replaced with the letter which comes before L, that is K again. S plus 1, so S is replaced with the letter which comes after S, that is T. U plus 1 gives V, and O plus 1 gives P. So that is how we obtain the code for the given word jealous. Let me repeat, the first step is to divide the given word into different parts, that is JEA, L and OUS. The second step is to reverse the letters in each of these parts. So JEA becomes AEJ, L remains as it is, and OUS becomes SUO. And the third and final step is to shift the letters in each of these parts. Let us do the same 3 operations on the word hearten to get the answer. So the given word is HEARTEN. Now we know that the first step is to divide the word into 3 different parts. That is the first 3 letters, then the 4th letter, and the last 3 letters. The second step would be to interchange or reverse the letters in each of these parts. So HEA becomes AEH, R remains R as it is, and TEN becomes NET. And the final step is to shift the letters in the first part by 1 position in the forward direction, the second part is 1 position in the reverse direction, and the third part by again 1 position in the forward direction. So here the coded form for the word hearten would be A plus 1, that is B, E plus 1, F, H plus 1 will give I, R minus 1 would be Q, N plus 1 is O, E plus 1 F, and T plus 1 will be U. Therefore, the coded form for the word hearten as per the given code would be BFIQOFU. So friends, as you can see in this model, in certain questions 2-3 operations are performed on the word to get its code. So to answer these type of questions, we need to first group the word into different parts, then interchange or reverse the letters in each of the parts, and finally do some shifting either in the forward direction or in the reverse direction to get the coded form.